Okay, Penny, I just stepped out. I'm one step out into the center hallway from that master hallway bathroom. The room that's over here is the den. There's a living room all the way in here, and in between there's a center hallway. We're going to go into the living room. We'll get into the den last. And then this here is the back of the front door. The whole door jamb just needs to be replaced. You can see there's a little crack here, and I'm not sure what that is. And then once again, there's a little blue bedroom, the bedroom with the hole in the ceiling, the master bedroom, and then the master bath / hallway bathroom. Okay, let's go in here into the main formal living room. Once again, any of this furniture that needs to be removed can be removed. This is a fairly large room, probably the largest room in the house. You've got your dining room area back over there where the chandelier is, because your kitchen area is back here, and then the side door to the patio is just through that other door there. And we'll just start up here in the corner. And we're looking out now. If we open up the blinds, you will see the highway 29, or 39 rather, 21. And we got a little crack right there, looks like above the window area on a load-bearing wall. As I move the drapes, I'm going to come straight down, and I don't see that crack offhand. We'll go back up to the top, continue going around the entire room. That crack is not on a load-bearing wall, but it is on the center wall. And I'm not sure how everything is up there. But maybe one of the main support beams. Let me go back this other way so you can kind of see the other side of the room. We'll get into the kitchen in a minute. That's going to need a major renovation. The hallway right here leads to the front door. And then as I come over here just a little bit, you can see the hallway leading toward the back. As I say, the kitchen is going to need a major renovation, and I think it's got to, one of the nice things it does have are these inlaid beams back here. And then we haven't gotten back here to the den yet, but we will get there in just a minute. This door here is actually off of the hinge. It's just sitting up, laying alongside of the thing, and that actually belongs to this right here. Cabinet space. I'm not going to open up all of these, but I'll kind of give you an idea of what the cabinets look like. Countertops were probably pretty in their day, but their day has long passed. And then out here you've got your carport area. It's actually a carport. There is no garage door. We'll get out there here as we finish up and go do a walk around. The linoleum itself is there are some little bubbles, especially right over the heater area, where it feels a little bit soft. But after walking through the rest of the house, I feel that it probably is just the linoleum. But again, I am not an expert. That's probably something we need to have the home inspector look underneath the floor here to see what the subfloor looks like. And we'll get in here into the den area. Again, this is the last room inside the house. We're in the back of the house. And just so to, again, reacquaint you, there's the front door right there. The living room, and then the hallways are down, the hallway and the bedrooms are down on that end. So we're looking out toward the center of the house. That is a gas fireplace, if I'm not mistaken. That's another thing we'll have, one of the utilities we will have turned on. The house back here is where Mr. and Mrs. Haley live. Mrs. Haley is the executrix of the estate. So you can see how far that is. It's extremely close. In fact, it looks a little bit further away from here than it really is. It's an easy stone throw over there. Okay, let's go outside, take a look at a couple things out there.